Hi guys, so today I'm going to give you a quick overview of our application form. Here you can see the quick little bit of information at the start and also the place where you first have to put in an email address. Here the next section is all about your personal information, so it's your name, your last name, what you'd like to be known as if it's something different, or some people like to get known as their middle name, so it's good for that to be in there. Your date of birth, please double check this, it is trying to sneak some in there as 2017 birthdays, which I'm sure you're not. Also your email address so we can make sure that we contact you, your home address, that helps give us an idea where you are, and telephone number and scouting area. We need to know your t-shirt sizes, maybe for the future, so we can start planning that kind of thing. Any dietary kind of requirements that we may need to cater for on the selection weekend, or any additional things that we should know about, just to make sure that we have as good a time as we can do the whole way through. And the next section is your parents and guardians information. Okay, so this is just so we can get in contact with them if we need to. Now your chance to really sell yourself. The questions there, they're quite self-explanatory. For obvious reasons I'm not going to outline anything in there too much. Okay, here we've got the references. We're looking at a scouting reference and a non-scouting reference. Okay, they just can't be someone who's related to you, and that's the same for your non-scouting reference. Okay, here's the last page. We have a little bit of declaration here to say that you're happy to attend the bits and you understand the commitment you're making. Also, here's the place where you attach a little photo of yourself so we can easily identify you when you come to selection. It will really help us if that's something clear and similar to a passport. I hope that gives you a better idea of the application form and help some of you answer some of the questions you may have about it. The closing date is the 5th of November and we look forward to getting in contact with you guys after that. The link is here to apply.
I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to find out more about our adventure to Jamboree and follow our story, or if you want to be part of our story, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.